Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert list in your MS Word document. So friends, if you need any list template ready to use, so there is very nice feature in MS Word program, Smart Art. So firstly, click in your document where you want to add and insert a list like in here. So click here, then click on insert, then click on Smart Art. Now in this list you will find some smart art. So this is the list. Now friends, in here you will see some ready to use template. So select anyone which you like. You will see information about that list, like vertical bullet list used to show non-sequential or grouped blocks of information, works well for lists with log headings or top level information. Basic block list used to show non-sequential or grouped blocks of information, maximize both horizontal and vertical display space for shapes. So click on it. Now you will see a list. So edit, you can change like this. So you can customize this list as your requirement. When you need to edit, double click on it, so this bar will open. Now you can change style and design. So it's a good looking style. So like list A, B, C, D. You can change color. When you need some data to insert, in this list, so right click on it and click on edit text and type. So hopefully friends, by this quick method we can know how to insert a list template in your MS Word document. Thanks for watching.